What's up, my bearded beauties? Whether you're man, woman, or anything in between, and you got facial hair, it's a good idea to get some beard oil so you can make sure that hair is as healthy as can be. So, break out that good old gram scale from college. Just kidding, that's a joke. It's a food scale. But if you like that, put it in the comments. And I'll show you what we need to get started, and it's super quick and easy. We're going to try to have this video under 3 minutes. So, stick with us, and let's make some beard oil for some healthy facial hair. And if you guys just heard that, that's my little helper there. It's my almost 2-year-old daughter. She's, just hanging around watching Daddy film. So, let's get into it. We're going to need some amber bottles with drippers. I will link everything to Amazon down below. I'm just letting you guys know now. It is an affiliate link, so if you would like to support our channel and buy through those links, I get a little kickback. It's a very small commission, but it helps us make videos like these. Appreciate it if you could do it. So, we're going to turn this on. Our first ingredient is going to be the jojoba, whatever you'd like to call it. We're going to be working in grams or ounces, so we're looking for 14 grams or 1/2 ounce. Basically, when I got these amber bottles, they came with these little funnels, which is awesome. Makes filling these bottles super easy. If we're a little bit over, a little bit under, that's not really a big deal. Just letting you guys know. Next, we're going to be going with sweet almond oil. This we're going to be going for 1/4 ounce or 7 grams. Bringing this up to 21 grams, 3/4 of an ounce. And like I said, if you're a couple 0.1 or 0.2 over, it's not the end of the world. Just like that, we're at 21.4. So, our next oil is going to be an argan oil. Guys, if you want to get oils that are organic, if that makes a difference to you, then I'm sure you can always find options. We're going up to 24 grams with this one. We're looking to get, what would that be, 0.1 something of an ounce. So once we get up to 24 grams, actually 24.5, we want 3.5 grams approximately. So we 24.5. Sometimes this does clog up, so just lift it. It will funnel right down. Go right ahead and bring your castor oil in. Oh, I should show you guys that. Bring your castor oil in. Make sure you get cold pressed and unrefined, guys. If you can't find organic options, cold pressed and unrefined are going to be the best for you. So bring that right up to 28 grams or 1 full ounce. Make sure you have an area, because your hands will get a little oily. I keep paper towels down because your hands are going to get a little oily. So just make sure that you are aware of that. Once we have our ounce of oils measured up, I usually like to do 5 to 7 drops of tea tree. All right, go ahead and do that now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Also, about 3 to 5 drops of lavender. And these are pure essential oils. 2, 3, 4, 5. And lavender and tea tree are going to be my main essential oils. The main scents that I go with is orange or lemon. Those are the 2 oils that I usually switch between. So, what I do is usually 12 to 15 drops for the main flavor. Go ahead and put that in there.
Go get him.
Once we have all of our scents mixed up, we're going to go ahead, give it a little swirl like this. And usually, I just sit here and shake weight this thing until it gives me a cab fare. Hopefully you guys get that reference. But I'll shake. I'll hit the plunger, the dripper, just to make sure that it's really emulsified in there. And once it is, usually give it a smell and you'll know when you're really mixed up. But you want to make sure that you shake this every single time before use. Shake. Switch hands. There's my cat hair. Just kidding. Perfect. So guys, I hope that you learned something today, and I hope you guys go out and make your own beard oil. And like I said, affiliate links are down below. I get a small kickback. Appreciate if you use them, but if not, no big deal. So, wherever you guys are at in the world, have a great morning, afternoon, or evening, and I will catch you on the next one.